Today, like yesterday, it was easy to day trade Apple, buying it at the low at open and then selling it when it bounced $1 or $2 per share. And then both days in a row, after that bounce, it pulled back again. I think continuing to day and swing trade it while averaging into a little to hold for whenever it finally recovers is probably the best approach for now. I bought a put option of Ford to short it when it was around 1290. I mentioned it in the Discord when it was about 1270. Now it's all the way down to 1240. I do think that it'll be higher value in the future, but it was simply a short-term short. SMTC someone mentioned to me in the Discord, and I wish I'd have known about it sooner, because the last 3 quarters in a row it outperformed expectations, so I would have bought it a few days ago and already sold it now from the earnings hype before the earnings actually happens, because you don't necessarily want to gamble by holding through earnings, but there was already a nice opportunity to take profits before earnings, which is a pretty common pattern. However, it could easily do well after earnings, so someone that wants to hold it and is willing to average down if necessary may be fine as well. I'm currently watching Tesla because it ran and then pulled back some. I think I may buy in soon if it dips enough, because I figure it'll eventually rebound again, and it's at a pretty good price overall. The share price of Rumble just reached another new high for the cycle. I'm still holding shares longer term, and I wish I would have bought more. I also like the idea of buying some Unity, around $25 per share, to hold longer term. About a year ago, when DWAC was around $20 per share, I used to talk about it, trade it, and recommend holding some longer term, because I felt that it would at least double in value whenever the SPAC upgraded to actual stock status. And sure enough, now DWAC is DJT, and it's ran all the way to $70 per share. Usually those rallies are a nice opportunity to short-term short, and sure enough, it's back to 50 already.